What is up, everybody? It's your boy, Christian Rios here. Oh, it's loud. Alright. Back again with another video. I haven't posted in a long time. And I was just relaxing because tomorrow's my birthday. And, wish you guys can just forgive me from that. Alright. I'm gonna save up. One day, when I see this again, I'm gonna save up to buy it. Or if I already have it, then I won't buy it. But for now, let's open one chest. Alright, 149 gold. 10 minions. Tesla. Elixir collectors. I got a tornado! Whoa! As soon as I said that, I got it. Whoa. Got a tornado. Alright. Alright, let's get in the battle. Good luck. Laugh at him. I'm not gonna worry about his witch. Now I'm gonna worry. Good push. Well played. Zap. I don't know why I zapped. Oh, this guy. And I used my zap. Oh, I'm gonna get that tower. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Taking this level 7 now is gonna be easy. Alright. So I just took a tower down. Should I go for the left side or should I just get the crown? Sneeze. Nope. Nope. Oh, he got it. Alright. Well played, well played. Oh. 2 for the price of 1. Come on. He just spent. Oh. This guy's defending pretty good. Well played, well played. I'm gonna zap all that. Why did it take so long for my zap to come and play? I probably shouldn't have done that, but hey. Come on, balloon. Get one hit. Yes. I might have a... Come on. Come on, baby. Could get this tower. He cycled through cards. Oh, tie game. Oh man, I could have won if I had my arrows. Good game. Alright, let's play another game. I probably should have gone for the king tower, to be honest. Alright, G's unit. Not the smartest idea, but okay. Alright, him, and then him. Wow, such a smart move. I'm just being sarcastic. It's time for the golem to come and play. Alright, sorry Hog Rider, you need to die. What's he gonna place down? Oh, that was... How did it not kill the minion horde? Hold up. How did that not kill the minion horde? Alright. Now I'm for real. This guy's gonna get his butt whooped. I'm not joking. Oh, freak. Stupid freaking... I had to counter that. And then zap that. Oh no. Come on. Yes. Wow. Oh. All of a sudden I'm losing, man. Alright, one more battle and that's it. One more. If I don't win this, I suck. But is this guy a spawner guy? Freaking hate spawner people. Really, man? It's not the time. You should be worried about my golem. All his stuff is gonna die. I don't know why he did that. Rage. Oh. Oh my gosh, this guy's gonna counter me. Alright. You see how bad people are countering me now. The wizard and the ice wizard. Man, oh man, do I wish I freaking had an ice wizard. Yup, it's game. My wizard behind my golem. Come on, man. Oh, I shouldn't have. Oh. Yeah, I don't need to do anything. I don't care, I'm going all in. This guy has a mirror. Come on. How did that not? Freaking tombstone. No, I'm not losing. Not losing. Come on. Come on. Came all this way. For what? Yes. Good game. Well played. Alright, guys. After this chest open, then I will end the video. Alright. Peace. Holla at your boy. Alright. Bye.